Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you can join in as I show you how to draw a cute panda. I'm going to start with the tree. The panda's going to be sleeping in the tree. So I've started with some curved lines like so, and I'm just going to construct it up. Now the panda's going to be sleeping on a pillow. Lucky panda has a pillow, and then I'm drawing a shape here for the head. That's where the head's going to be, and then the body is going to sit in behind here. And then I'm going to have one leg here, and then the other leg is going to come, the front leg is going to be coming up and around like so. So I've constructed up my picture, and now I'm going to use a 0.5 to draw in the details. Let's start with the panda's nose. A rounded triangle shape in the middle of this section. 1, 2. Now this panda is asleep, but it's having a really nice happy dream. A couple of sleepy eyes with the eye patches. 1, 2 eye patches on. Then I'm just going to put his ear on there and an ear on here. Bring that around, and that down there. Now we're going to draw his hand on. So let's start with this finger. 1, 2, 3 fingers. And then it comes down and right around like this. And there's his arm. He's got his arm tucked up underneath his head. And then he's got this part of his head coming across and then around there. That's his back of the panda. Let's draw the pillow on. He looks like he's got a small pillow. We could make that bigger if we wanted to. That's his pillow. And then we've got his belly. Now we've got his other foot. 1, 2, 3. Let's make that like so. If you wanted to put some little claws on, you can. And then we'll finish the tree off. Go over those tree lines. Now if you really want to make the tree look cool, you could add some simulated texture lines in there. Some sort of wood grain effect. It's up to you. We can even add that in when we colour in later as well. Just going to put a couple of extra lines there. Just going to colour my panda in.